Shaw will not start for England today. It's a round of 16 game. We are over 2 weeks into this tournament now. He's been part of the England setup for nearly a month. The FA Cup final was over a month ago, and he is still not match fit to start a game of football. This tournament finishes 2 weeks today. He's not fit. He never should have gone. I would argue that Harry Maguire is probably fit to play for England now. And he must be looking at it going, why didn't they take me then? Because Luke, you know, I said this yesterday. Argentina may have said, you know what, it's worth taking Lionel Messi in his prime if he's only going to be fit from the quarterfinal because he's that good. But Luke Shaw should not be part of that England setup